Sage is now integrated with TaxBandits, an IRS-authorized e-file provider, to bring you an end-to-end 1099 e-filing experience. 1099 data is directly transferred from Sage Intacct to TaxBandits, eliminating the manual effort of printing 1099s on paper forms or downloading and uploading to third-party e-file providers. The e-filing workflow consists of two main parts, one in Sage Intacct and the other in TaxBandits. In Sage Intacct, currently, you maintain 1099 vendors, 1099 transactions, review 1099 reports, and make necessary corrections. When you're ready to file, transfer the data to TaxBandits, where you will perform next steps to complete e-filing. In TaxBandits, the system will check for any errors that need to be corrected to meet IRS or state requirements. There are other services you can select, such as online access or mailing copies to the recipients. After you submit forms to the IRS from TaxBandits, you can check the status of your submission in your TaxBandits account. In order to enable 1099 e-filing, you need to enable Sage Cloud services, configure accounts payable, and create a TaxBandits account. Let's take a look at the system. First, an admin user needs to enable Sage Cloud services in your company subscription. If it is already enabled, it can remain as is. Second, once Sage Cloud services are enabled, an admin user can proceed to the Accounts Payable module, configure Accounts Payable, and select the checkbox 1099 e-filing powered by TaxBandits. To find out more about TaxBandits, the terms of use, privacy statements, and pricing, click on the question mark symbol. Third, you need to visit TaxBandits.com and create an account by providing your email address, contact name, login password, and phone number. By creating a TaxBandits account, you are by default an admin user who can define who has access to that TaxBandits account. If there is more than one staff member working on 1099 e-filing for the company, and you want all your staff to share the same TaxBandits account and be able to view each other's 1099 e-filing submissions, it's recommended that you select the Manage Staff option. Here you can invite the staff to join your TaxBandits account. You can control the accessibility by assigning the business or entity that they should have access to by enabling Sage Cloud services, configuring accounts payable, and creating a TaxBandits account. The 1099 e-filing feature is now enabled for your company. Once the 1099 e-filing feature is enabled, and you have Form 1099 user permission, you will see a new 1099 e-file submission transactions on accounts payable menu. Click on that. The 1099 e-file submission log will show you all of your submission batches and their statuses. Click Add to create a new batch. On this page, select your year-ending date, vendors, entity, and form type. Then click e-file. A pop-up will appear to show you a summary of the page. To review details before you send information to TaxBandits, click Download File. Otherwise, click e-file. The system will launch a new tab for you to log into TaxBandits. If a new tab is not opened, check your browser settings and allow pop-ups. You can sign in with your existing TaxBandits account, or click Sign Up to create a new account. Accept the TaxBandits privacy policy in terms of service. The tab will then close and return you to Sage Intacct. The batch status will first appear as in progress. The system is processing. After a while, depending on the amount of 1099 data, click the refresh button to get the updated status. If the status changes to failed, follow the action log to review errors and resubmit the batch. If the status changes to submitted, the data has successfully transferred to TaxBandits. Click on the ID hyperlink to continue 1099 e-filing. You will be redirected to TaxBandits, where you will verify your company's business information. Click Continue. You'll see your batch and a breakdown of records that are ready to file, and the records that contain errors and need to be corrected. Fix errors. Correct the highlighted errors. Then click Save and Continue. Make sure to correct your records in Sage Intacct to reflect the same changes. Alternatively, you can also make changes in Sage Intacct first and resubmit the batch with correct information in TaxBandits. Here you can edit or delete forms, enable postal mailing, grant online access to recipients, perform bulk actions, and opt in or opt out of state e-filing. After confirming your selected services, click Continue. Review the summary of 1099 forms. Click Continue. TaxBandits will do a final check for any remaining errors. If there are no errors, click Continue. Confirm your cart summary and click Complete Order to proceed to payment. Fill in the credit card information and click Pay and Transmit. Alternatively, you can use your prepaid credits. After you submit your payment, you'll see your order confirmation. When the IRS or SSS processes your forms, you will receive an email. You can view your transmitted forms in the distribution center. In the Print Forms section, click Continue. Then click Print 1099 Forms. There are multiple filters you can choose from. Select your desired filters and click Download with the tin either masked or unmasked.